Hey there. It's me again, Shilly. Don't worry, this video will be very short. I made a video yesterday and it was received so well that I decided to give you a little bonus clip that ties together a few things from the last video. To prevent you from wasting too much of your time on a Saturday, let's go ahead and jump right in where we left off. This video connects Dunning-Kruger, or having influence before understanding the material, to the exact repository of disinformation in this space, Reddit.
There are billions and billions of fucking naked shorts and failures to deliver, and married puts, divorced puts, is the contracts, futures, swaps, total equity return swaps, collateralized debt obligations, all sorts of fucking bullshit going on.
There are billions and billions of naked shorts. Well, fuck my ass and call me tits. I guess we should just take his word for it. Divorced puts? That sound like something I should have bought when I was 8 years old before my parents split up. Puts on dad and mom, please. The fact is, naked shorting is perfectly legal for market makers through what's called bona fide market making. It's a loophole that allows market makers to borrow securities without locating them first in order to provide sufficient liquidity. This is allowed through Regulation SHO. So if there were truly billions and billions of naked shorts, which ones are the legal ones, and which ones are the illegal ones? There's not a way to tell, and there's no way to even calculate this number. As far as I remember, Boss Blunts was also sold by User of Intellect, another worthless member of the so-called community, who makes a lot of the same claims that you see from Boss Blunts. Why? Because they all think the same and are each other's verifier. Remember how we talked about gaming the system? If you would like to learn more about Regulation SHO, I will leave the link to this document in the description so you can learn more. This is User of Intellect. Notice right off the bat, even in his name he's trying to appeal to authority. He puts in his Twitter bio that he's a PhD and a data analyst, yet can't seem to graduate from Fintel University. Let's take a look at his stock Twitter account. If you just go to this website that I'll link in the description, you can easily see that this guy has never been anything but a FOMO artist. He even started the year out bearish on AMC, but here he is selling everyone on the fact that he's some sort of data analyst now. Sorry big guy, you can't even calculate float properly. Oh. And by the way, quick question. You say there's billions of shares diluted but also say you're logging the float. Please explain how this works. I'm dying to hear your answer. You see, these people go unchecked by your community. Please start vetting your members. You'll quickly learn they actually have nothing to offer, and you only like them because of their fake personalities that they've sold to you for the purpose of stealing your time for money. Facts are facts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I suppose I'll see you in the Discord, somewhere that I've left open to the public to come and have discussions. But it seems all they want to do is argue and attack. Oh well.
I want my fucking money!